Chapter number 6, Triangles, class 10th. Let's start this. So, the objectives of this lesson are concept of similar triangle and identify congruent and similar triangles. The criteria for the similarity of two triangles, Thales theorem, area and perimeter relation, and problems based on the criteria of similar triangles. So let's revise the congruency. A geometric figure or geometric figures are congruent if they are the same size and shape, that is corresponding angles and corresponding sides are in the same position in polygon with an equal number of side. That is, we can say the polygon are congruent if and only if their corresponding sides are congruent or equal. That two triangles are called congruent triangles if their corresponding angles and the corresponding sides are equal. As in earlier classes, we have written the congruency of two triangles as angle P is equal to angle L shown in the figure, angle Q is equal to angle J, angle R is equal to angle K, PQ is equal to LJ side, QR is equal to JK side, and PR is equal to LK side. So these three sides and three angles are equal of these two triangles. So we can write triangle PQR is congruent. This is the congruency sign. So triangle PQR is congruent to triangle LJK. So when we are writing these triangles are congruent, the meaning of this is P corresponds to L, Q corresponds to J, and R corresponds to K. So when the two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are also equal, and we write this as CPCT. That the full form of the CPCT is corresponding parts of congruent triangles. Now let's talk about the conditions for congruence of triangles. As in the earlier classes, we have SSS congruence rule. If the three sides of one triangle are equal to the three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are congruent. SAS criteria says the two triangles are congruent if two sides and the included angles of one triangle are equal to the sides and the included angle of the other triangle. Then the third criteria is ASA congruence rule. Two triangles are congruent if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of other triangle. Next is last RHS, that is right angle hypotenuse side. If the hypotenuse and the side of a right angle triangle is equal or equivalent to the hypotenuse and a side of the second right angle triangle, then we say the two right triangles are congruent by RHS rule. In the class 10th, we have to study about the similarity. So, what is the similarity? The two objects are similar if they have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. That is, polygons have the same shape but not necessarily the same size. For this, let's take the two triangles as shown in this figure. Their corresponding angles, angle A and angle X, are equal. Then corresponding sides are in a direct ratio. The ratio is called a scale factor, and this ratio is 2:1. How it comes? Let's take. If we are taking BA upon YX, so that is 6 upon 3. or we can say 2 upon 1. When we take AC upon XY, that is equal to 8 upon 4 or is equal to 2 upon 1. When we take BC upon YZ, that is 10 upon 5 or 2 is 2 upon 1, or all the three sides have the same ratio 2 is to 1. So this 2 is to 1 is known as scale factor, and we write the triangles are similar. So again let's talk about the same. The two triangles are here, and when we take the ratios of these corresponding sides as AB upon DE is 10 by 2, BC upon EF is 6 by 12, and AC upon DF is 7 by 14. So all these three are equal to 1 by 2. So here 1 by 2 is called the similarity ratio, or this is also known as scale factor. As we have studied about the criteria of congruent triangles, criteria for congruent triangles, similarly we have to study for the criteria for similar triangles. So first is SSS similarity. It says the measure of the corresponding sides of two triangles are proportional, then the triangles are similar. Now the relation of proportional, as we have done in the previous slide also, AB upon DE, that is equal to 5 by 2, BC upon EF, that is equal to 8 by 16, AC upon DF, that is equal to 11 upon 12, all are equal to 1 upon 2. So this 1 upon 2 we can write 1 ratio 2. This is known as the scale factor, and as the three sides are in the same proportion, so we can say the triangles are similar. The next criteria is SAS similarity, or we say side angle side. If one angle of a triangle is equal to the corresponding angle of the other triangle, and the sides including these angles are proportional, then the triangles are similar. As we observed in this figure, let's talk about the side. When we take the ratio of FE upon BC, that is equal to 16 upon 24 is 2 by 3. Take angles, so angle B and angle F both are congruent or it equal to 50 degree. Then third point, side. So let's talk about the another side, ratio of FD upon BA, that is 8 upon 12, or we write it 2 upon 3. Now here the ratio of the two sides is same, that is 2 upon 3, and the angle between these two sides is B and F for both the triangles. So SAS, this is the side angle side similarity. We can write triangles ABC and triangle DEF are similar. Then the next criteria, that is known as AA similarity, says the two angles of one triangle are congruent, or we can say equal to two angles of other triangle, then the two triangles are known as similar triangle. As in this figure we observe angle A is congruent to angle A1 of the second triangle, and angle B of the first triangle is congruent to angle B1 of the second triangle. So angle A is equal to angle A1 and angle B is equal to angle B1. So we can write these two triangles ABC and the triangle A1, B1, C1 are the similar triangles.